Hello, viewers, and welcome to our documentary on one of the most enigmatic figures in the history of cinema, Louis de Prince. Often overshadowed by the likes of Thomas Edison and the Lumiere brothers, Lee Prince was a true pioneer whose groundbreaking work laid the foundation for the motion picture industry. In 1888, he captured what is believed to be the world's first motion picture, the Roundheads Garden scene. But his story takes a mysterious turn in 1890, just as he was poised to unveil his invention to the world. Lee Prince vanished without a trace. Join us as we delve into the life, achievements, and the baffling disappearance of Louis de Prince, the forgotten father of cinema. Here are some lesser known facts about him. Early inventor in cinematography. Before his famous Rode Garden scene, Lee Prince created several experimental short films, including sequences showing traffic on Leeds Bridge and people walking in a garden. These early experiments contributed to the development of motion picture technology. Number 2. Multifaceted inventor. In addition to his work on motion pictures, Lee Prince was also an accomplished engineer and inventor. He held patents for the variety of devices, including an improved design for a lens and innovations in panoramic photography. Number 3. Artistic background. Lee Prince had a strong background in art. He studied painting in Paris and was friends with artists like John Whitney and James Pardieu. The artistic foundation influenced his approach to filmmaking and the composition of his early films. Fourth one, supportive family. His wife, Elizabeth Whitney Lee Prince, played a crucial role in his work. She was a talented artist and actively supporting his inventions and experiments. After his disappearance, she continued to champion his contributions to early cinema. Fifth one, multiple disappearance theories. Beyond the common theories of murder, suicide, or voluntary disappearance, some have speculated about industrial espionage or a kidnapping orchestrated by rivals. However, no concrete evidence has ever surfaced to support these claims. 6. Financial struggles. Despite his groundbreaking work, Lee Prince faced significant financial difficulties. His inventions required substantial investment, and he struggled to secure funding and recognition in a competitive and rapidly evolving field. 7. Legal battles. After his disappearance, his family faced numerous legal battles to establish his priority in the invention of motion pictures. His son, Adolphe Lee Prince, testified in several court cases against Thomas Edison to assert his father's contributions. 8. Posthumous recognition. It wasn't until many years after his disappearance that Lee Prince's work began to gain the recognition it deserved. Modern historians and cinema enthusiasts now acknowledge his pivotal role in the birth of motion pictures. Influence on future generations. Despite the mystery surrounding his fate, Lee Prince's pioneering effects laid the groundwork for future filmmakers and inventors. His early films are now considered invaluable artifacts in the history of cinema. Some of Lee Prince's early films were rediscovered in 1930s and have since been preserved. These films provide a fascinating glimpse into the nascent stages of cinematography and the innovative spirit of Lee Prince. These facts highlight the complexity of Louis de Prince's lives and work, emphasizing the importance in the history of cinema and the enduring mystery of his disappearance. The mysterious disappearance of the pioneer motion picture director Louis de Prince remains one of the most intriguing unsolved cases in the history of cinema. Louis de Prince, a French inventor and the man often credited with creating the first motion picture, vanished without a trace in 1890. Here's a summary of the circumstances surrounding his disappearance. Louis de Prince was an inventor who in 1888 filmed a short sequence known as the Rode Garden scene, which is considered one of the oldest surviving motion pictures. He was planning to trip to the United States to showcase his inventions and secure patents. The disappearance. On September 16, 1890, Lee Prince boarded a train for Dijon to Paris. He was last seen by his brother at the Dijon station, but he never arrived in Paris. Neither Lee Prince nor his luggage was ever found, and no one on the train reported seeing anything suspicious. Theories. Several theories have been proposed regarding his disappearance. Some say it was a murder. Some speculated he might have been murdered due to rivalries in the burgeoning field of motion picture technology. There were major players like Thomas Edison, who later became known as a significant figure in the development of cinema. Suicide. Another theory suggests that Lee Prince may have committed suicide, although there is little evidence to support this, and it is considered unlikely by many historians. Voluntary disappearance. Some suggest he might have chosen to disappear voluntarily due to personal or financial reasons, but again, there is no concrete evidence for this. Lee Prince's disappearance means he was unable to secure patents and recognition for his work. Consequently, figures like Thomas Edison and the Lumiere brothers are often credited with the invention and popularization of motion pictures. Despite numerous investigations and extensive research, the fate of Louis de Prince remains a mystery. His contributions to early cinema are increasingly recognized, and his disappearance continues to captivate historians and enthusiasts of early film history. I hope you have liked this video, so kindly like, subscribe my channel.